Mr. Walker is considered by everybody in the world a poster boy for the Three Strikes Initiative.
A judge has found the man who inspired California's three strikes law guilty of 3 new strikes today. Now he faces a punishment that you could call tailor-made for his crimes. Douglas Walker could now go to prison for life under the law written with him in mind.
Action News anchor Corin Hoggard shows us why.
In 1992, Douglas Walker was the accomplice in a robbery ending in the death of 18-year-old Kimber Reynolds. He served a 9-year sentence, and by the time he got out, Kimber's father had helped write the Three Strikes Law, forcing life sentences for repeat offenders. When Walker got out of prison on a theft case in 2013, I tried to ask him if he deserved his freedom.
He doesn't want to talk to you guys. He doesn't. I mean, he's trying to live his life the best that he can. That's just the way it goes.
About 3 months later, police arrested Walker for beating up his girlfriend, Carrie Alvarado. I tracked her down a couple days later and saw a big black eye before she closed the door on me. Now on trial for the attack, Walker's defense attorney downplayed the injury.
Now, as far as black eyes are concerned, it's not a major black eye. I mean, the eyeball's not hanging out of the socket. There's nothing to suggest that the socket was somehow broken. It was just a black eye.
Alvarado died of a drug overdose before Walker went on trial, so she never testified. But prosecutors used her initial statements to convince the judge Walker was guilty of domestic violence. That is not a strike, but they also had jail calls in which Walker talked to Alvarado.
The defendant says to her, "You're going to tell them I didn't do it, so what's the big deal? You're going to get on the stand and tell them I didn't do it."
Dissuading a witness is a strike, and Judge Kent Hamlin said Walker clearly tried to avoid justice.
I need you to be gone because the DA will try and come and get you. That's why I need you to be gone. So, again, we have a clear intent to interfere with the orderly processes of the court. We have a scheme developed by the two of them on how to beat the charge.
Judge Hamlin found Walker guilty on 3 counts of dissuading a witness, giving him 3 new strikes. Walker's maximum sentence when he's punished next month will be life in prison with no parole hearing for 102 years. Mike Reynolds told me it's kind of a perverse Christmas present. It can't bring back his daughter, but it could make sure Walker finally stays in prison under the law motivated by her death. Corin Hoggard, ABC 30, Action News.